In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error 429. Let's get started. This error usually means YouTube has received too many requests from your device or network in a short period of time. To fix this, first close your YouTube app, wait a few minutes before opening it. Next, check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can give a first restart to your router. Likewise, if you are connected to VPN or proxy service, disable it and try accessing YouTube again. You should also clear the YouTube cache. For that, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, launch YouTube, click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the YouTube app, click on App Info, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube. If you see the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If the error still appears, restart your phone and try again later, as the restriction is often temporary. By following these steps, YouTube error 429 should be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.